Alright, so after having this watch for a little bit, I took it off for a few days and it died. Forgot how long I had it off, so I went ahead and got a watch box. So this will be for my automatic, which is that. I'm getting a replacement for this. I got this in here just so you can kind of see how it looks once it's working, but it's got two switches on the back, so hit both of them. And that's what we got. And it's supposed to rotate for I think like 2 minutes. And then it'll pause for I think 6. And then it'll rotate the other direction for another 2. So pretty cool. And it's a real sturdy box. But it'll rotate 4 and I think you can fit 6 down here in the bottom. So pretty cool. With the carbon fiber style pattern on it. It's not actual carbon fiber, but you know, the material with the pattern. But yeah, this should fix my dead automatic watch problem. So shouldn't have to worry about that anymore.